Q Home Decor presents the Food Shala in association with City Max Hotels, Geo Hypermarket, Chili Willy, Yoplait Yogurt, and Al Ain Vegetables. Media partners.
अरे ओ फिरोज, कितने लोग थे?
11 शेफ।
11। अरे ओ टेक, कितने रेसिपी थे?
11 गुरु।
11 लोग और 11 रेसिपी और टोपी सिर्फ एक। बहुत रेसिपी है, बहुत रेसिपी।
प्रीति, what do you think यार? ये गोल्डन टोपी मुझे बड़ी सूट कर रही है ना?
No, I don't think so. कड़छी लानी आती नहीं और तुम चली शेफ बनने। ये गोल्डन टोपी तो जाएगी एक डिजर्विंग कंटेस्टेंट के सर पे।
Absolutely. 13 हफ्तों से पूरी दुनिया की नजर इस टोपी पर रही है, लेकिन आज के दिन यानी कि ग्रैंड फिनाले पर आएंगे सिर्फ 3 फाइनलिस्ट्स।
Absolutely. Welcome to Q Home Decor presents the Food Shala in association with City Max Hotels, Geo Hypermarket, Chili Willy, Yoplait Yogurt, and Al Ain Vegetables.
Alright, this has been a very interesting journey. लेकिन आज जो विनर ले जाएगा गोल्डन टोपी, उसे मिलेंगे बहुत सारे prizes.
जैसे कि 6 months of free grocery shopping at Geo Hypermarket,
6 months of free dining at Sizzling Walk and Claypot Restaurant at City Max Hotel, Bar Dubai.
a retro bedroom set, all courtesy Q Home Decor.
साथ में उनकी रेसिपी जुड़ जाएगी in the menus of either of these restaurants at the City Max Hotel, Bar Dubai.
Well, the journey of the Food Shala has been extremely memorable. We started off with the roadshow at Oasis Center. We moved on with 11 wonderful contestants जो कि आए हमारे show पे and they taught us some lovely recipes. From 11, we've come down to 3.
We take you, the viewers of the Food Shala, through the journey so far.
कुछ लोगों के लिए खाना बनाना और खिलाना एक जुनून होता है और इसी जुनून का जश्न मनाने के लिए हम लेके आए हैं The Food Shala.
And this is how we flagged off a 13-week-long journey of culinary technique and style with the viewers of the Food Shala.
It's very difficult to choose who will be the best.
The Food Shala तक पहुंचने के 2 रास्ते थे. You could either take part in the contest being held at the Oasis Center or participate through the Geo wildcard entry. This was a sure shot way of making it to the final 11 of the Food Shala. Suma Nair was selected as the very deserving Geo wildcard entry winner. After this contest, 11 proud winners took home 11 the Food Shala aprons, and over the next 13 weeks, they were pitted together in a culinary face-off for the ultimate prize, the Golden Topi, and a long list of other prizes. 6 months free grocery shopping at Geo Hypermarket, 6 months free food and beverage at Claypot or the new Sizzling Walk restaurant worth 6,000 dirhams. A retro king bedroom set from Q Home Decor worth 9,380 dirhams. And the winning recipe will also feature on the menus of Claypot or the new Sizzling Walk restaurant at City Max Hotel, Bar Dubai. The Food Shala's journey would not have been half as eventful if it was not for its supportive associates.
I hope to see you and the Food Shala viewers in a Q Home Decor store very soon.
Food Shala came up with this really novel idea of starting a cookery show in this region, which has never happened in this part of the world. Okay, and Geo and Food Shala joined hands to make this a success.
The top qualifiers, the 11 qualifiers that enter in the show, their dishes will be presented in both our outlets, whether you did an Asian fusion or you did an Indian.
The 11 semi-finalists over the past weeks have presented their culinary best at the City Max Hotel, Bar Dubai.
It's look very yummy and very rich. It's very good. Nicely done. माँ की याद दिला दी आपने.
और इसी तरह सिटी मैक्स होटल के एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ रॉबिन गोम्स ने अपने वर्डिक्ट को तैयार किया एंड वी हैड द 3 फाइनलिस्ट्स वंदना जैन, कमल जावेद एंड सुमा नायर।
जिस घड़ी का हमें इतने हफ्तों से बेसब्री से इंतजार था वो आज आ चुकी है। We are with the first finalist of the Foodshala. Her name is Suma Nair. She came to the Foodshala as a Geon wildcard entry and today she's into the grand finale. Suma, your moment is finally here. Whether you take home the golden topi and the tons of prizes that we have at the Foodshala, only time will tell. But for now, this is your moment. All the best.
Thank you.
Before we proceed, Suma, what are you making today?
I'm making lemon prawns with oyster sauce.
Yummy. And इसकी magic recipe कौन सी है?
It's made with lemon zest and lemon juice.
Okay.
And tossed in oyster sauce.
Wonderful, Suma. अब सिर्फ आप होंगी, आपके prawns होंगे और हमारी audience होंगी और आपके पास हैं 30 मिनट। आज आप अच्छा पकाएं या बुरा, ये 30 मिनट आपको जिंदगी भर याद रहेंगे। Okay? Okay. So we're going to leave you. You have 30 minutes, Suma. All the best.
Thank you. This competition means a lot. It's like it means everything to me. And I'm so happy that I got this opportunity to show to few people who thought like I could do nothing. My kids inspire me the most because they are the best critics. I really want to win this Foodshala competition because I need to prove my own self. I need to show my own self where I stand. When I get nervous, I tend to forget the ingredients and don't remember what I have put.
Wow, Suma, your dish is all ready, even before time was up. Brilliant, your dish is looking lovely. I personally am loving the presentation, but I think it's time for us to call the judge, Chef Gomes. Ready? Let's call him. Let's have Chef Gomes try your dish. What Chef Gomes thinks of Suma's lemon prawns, we'll have to wait and find out because we still have 2 more finalists to go.